Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my shop. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tip on some things on doing the lathe and some finishing tricks that I use. I'm making a bunch of these handles here for like these pizza servers, and what happens is I'm finishing this in like a rub-on polyurethane to give it more durability and stuff in the kitchen and being handled a lot. I found some of the other finishes just don't hold up as well. So what I did is normally I will turn these to shape and get them sanded up on this mandrel here that goes into my lathe chuck. And what I can do is I get them turned like that. Then what I'll do is I'll put them on one of these bolts here that I put together. And it's just like this, a threaded bolt with a couple nuts on it, and I lock them together so they stay tight. But then I'll take this out and put this on the drill chuck for finishing. Then I can put the finish on, take this off without touching it, and put it on here to stand and dry. And then I can move on to the next piece. Now these are all threaded inserts, 1/4 by 20 inch. A lot of different kind of handles use this type of insert, so this is useful for a lot of different projects. And another tip I'm going to give you in regards to using like a drill chuck on your lathe. Now, the one I like the best is this one here, threads on to my headstock. Threads right on there and it stays on. I've used these others that use the number 2 Morse tapers, and what happens is they tend to come loose on me all the time and they start rattling around and stuff, and I've had the darndest trying to get them to stay. I've even used like a rubber mallet, try and pound them in there and get them to stick, but after a time they just start rattling loose on me. This one never does. Got this one through PSI. See if I can get a link for that and I'll put it down below. Anyways, for a quick easy way to get through all your finishing, because drying these handles when you're using a rub-on polyurethane can take 3 hours or more depending on the humidity. So you want to keep going. So I make a rack for like 6 of these so I can get 6 of them going at once, and while one's drying I'll be working on the next one. So there we have that. Quick tip for the shop for maybe getting some more production out of your turning. Well, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, you got some inspiration from it, and if you did, please give me a like and a thumbs up and share it with your family, friends, and fellow craftspersons. Also, please comment. We'd love to hear what you want to see, what your comments are. Get a lot of great ideas from our viewers. Also, please subscribe and be sure to hit the bell icon so you won't miss anything. So, thank you.